Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Klaviyo for e-commerce retention and personalization step by step clearly. First, open your web browser and navigate to the Klaviyo website. Click on the Get Started button located at the top right corner of the homepage. Fill in your email address to create your account. You will receive a confirmation email. Check your inbox and click the link to verify your account. Once confirmed, log in to your Klaviyo account. After logging in, you'll be prompted to answer some questions about your business. Complete the onboarding questions to tailor Klaviyo to your needs. Next, connect your e-commerce platform. Klaviyo supports various platforms like Shopify, WooCommerce, and BigCommerce. Select your platform and follow the instructions provided to integrate it. You may need to install a plugin or provide API keys, depending on your platform. Once the integration is successful, visit the List and Segments tab in your dashboard. Now, navigate to the Flows tab to set up automated email responses. Choose from pre-built flows or create a new flow from scratch based on your goals. Next, design your email templates by selecting the Email Templates option. Use Klaviyo's drag-and-drop editor to customize the design easily. Incorporate dynamic content to personalize each email based on customer behavior. After designing your templates, move on to creating your first campaign. Select the Campaigns tab and click Create Campaign. Choose the list or segment you want to target for this campaign. Draft your email using the templates you created earlier. Use Klaviyo's analytics to refine your message based on customer engagement. Schedule your campaign or send it immediately, depending on your strategy. Finally, monitor the performance of your campaigns through Klaviyo's analytics dashboard. Regularly check metrics like open rates and click-through rates to optimize future efforts. And that's how you install Klaviyo for e-commerce retention and personalization step by step. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.